If your music transitions sound awkward,
Feel the tension, show 'em up in the sky.
then you're missing this.
Close. Can you feel the tension, show 'em up in the sky?
Let me show you how to do it. First, line up the main beats of both the tracks, then crossfade them so that the transition feels natural. Add a riser before the switch to build up anticipation, then a whoosh exactly on the cut. Finally, add an impact immediately after the transition. This gives the second track a strong entrance. Next, I'll show you how to properly end a song. Make sure you follow so that you don't miss it.